Hi there folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in an easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let me go ahead and maximize this editor, and today we're going to learn the array of structures in C. So if I scroll down a bit, you will see this file. I have created this a while ago and I name it ex70_array_of_structures.c, and I have also these statements added a while ago. So an array can store elements of any data type, including structures. And to better understand this, I will give you an example. Let me complete this code in here. So here is the complete code, and after again an array can store elements of any data type, including structures, and after declaring an array of structures, an element is accessible with the index number. The dot operator is used to access members of the element, as in this example in this program. So let's go ahead and run this, compile and run. And as you can see, box 0 is a volume of 96, box 1 has a volume of 192, box 2 volume 144. So let me go ahead and close this now. And arrays of structures are used for data structures such as linked lists, binary trees, and more. And just a quick note as well, that when you are implementing high performance applications, sometimes using structures of arrays is preferred to array of structures because of the data locality. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab, and I want you to fill in the blanks to declare a point struct and an array of point structures. So as you can see, there's a missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in, and if you know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.